8 weird and unique side hustles to try in 2023 for passive income. In 2023, the possibilities to generate passive income with weird and unique side hustles are endless. Whether you're looking to make some extra money on the side or aspire to become your own boss, these 8 weird and unique side hustles offer a great opportunity to make money while having fun. From blogging and podcasting to selling secondhand goods and becoming a virtual assistant, these side hustles can help you take control of your finances and leap towards financial freedom. So, if you're looking for a way to make money without having to sacrifice your free time or work full-time, these 8 weird and unique side hustles are definitely worth exploring. 8 weird and unique side hustles to try in 2023. Blogging. If you have an interesting story to tell, a blog can be a great way to make money while building a loyal following. Blogging is also a great way to share your knowledge and expertise with others, allowing you to make an impact in your chosen field or speciality. Whether you write about travel, fashion, fitness, food, parenting, lifestyle, or another niche, there are lots of ways to monetize your blog, including advertisements, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and partnerships. The blogging industry is huge, so there are plenty of opportunities for everyone, regardless of your skill level or experience. You can also make money from your blog through paid posts or guest posts, where you write content for another site. This could be for a larger outlet as a way to jumpstart your career, or for a smaller blog as a way to get your name out there. If you're interested in getting into blogging, start by creating a list of topics you're interested in covering. From there, you can decide if you want to start a personal blog or a blog on a platform like WordPress. Podcasting. If you're interested in podcasting, you're in luck. Podcasts are experiencing a revival, and it's a great way to share your expertise and stories with a global audience. Whether you want to start a sports podcast, talk show, or radio-style program, podcasting is a flexible side hustle you can do from anywhere. You can create a podcast on just about any topic, from growing a business to fitness or healthy eating. You'll need some recording equipment, a place to host your podcast, and a way to distribute your content, but the rest is up to you. You can also team up with a friend to create a podcast together, or start a podcast as part of a larger content strategy as a way to promote your business or products. Selling secondhand goods. If you're an expert at buying and reselling items like furniture, books, or clothing, reselling secondhand goods can be a great way to earn a side income. There are plenty of apps and websites designed just for resellers, including Facebook Marketplace like Go and Poshmark, but you may also want to consider a more traditional yard sale. If you're interested in reselling secondhand goods, you'll want to be strategic about what items you buy and where you sell them. For example, you probably don't want to buy that $50 designer purse from a thrift store, as you won't make much of a profit. Instead, look for items that are in good condition but might be overpriced or less in demand. You might also want to consider buying items with a longer shelf life, like books, toys, or furniture. Becoming a virtual assistant. If you have experience in customer service or administration, becoming a virtual assistant can be a great way to make money from home. Whether you want to specialize in administrative tasks like transcription or marketing, there are plenty of ways to make money as a virtual assistant. You can also find work as a remote or outsourced employee or contractor for larger companies, allowing you to work on a variety of projects across different industries. To get started, you'll want to create an online presence like a website or social media profiles, showcasing your skills and experience. From there, you can begin to find work either through an agency or on your own. Freelance writing. If you're a skilled writer, you can make money from home through freelance writing gigs. There are a variety of websites where you can find these types of jobs, including Upwork and Contently. You can also find opportunities to freelance write through content mills like Textbroker or publications that run guest posts like this one. To get started, you want to build a portfolio of work, including writing samples and publish articles, and network with other writers and publications. From there, it's just a matter of pitching your services and finding the right writing jobs for your skill level. Dropshipping. If you're interested in e-commerce, you may want to consider dropshipping. This is when you sell items as a retailer without actually owning or storing the items. Instead, you find a supplier, place an order for the item, and then sell it to your customer. You'll then use an online service or broker to ship the item to your customer for you. The easiest way to get started with dropshipping is to find a product that is in demand and doesn't have a large upfront cost. You can then partner with a dropshipping app like Shopify or Doba to help you manage your inventory and sales. Dropshipping isn't for everyone, but it's a great option if you want to try e-commerce without investing a ton of money upfront. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you earn a commission by promoting another person's product or service. There are a variety of different ways to do affiliate marketing, but one of the easiest is through a program like Amazon Associates. With this program, you earn a percentage of any sales you refer through your website or social media accounts. There are plenty of other affiliate marketing programs out there, including Google AdSense, Share a Sale, and CJ Affiliate. To get started with affiliate marketing, you'll want to first find a product or service you're interested in promoting. From there, you can join one of the affiliate marketing networks above or choose a product-specific network like Shop. Developing an app. If you're tech-savvy and have an idea for an app, you can try to develop it and make money from it. To get started, you'll want to come up with a concept for an app and find a way to test it out and get user feedback. You can find a freelance job on Upwork or use your network to find a developer to work with you on a smaller or test project first. From there, you can decide if you want to pursue a full-time app development project or try to partner with another developer. You can also choose to partner with an app development company. Whatever route you take, it will take some time to develop your app, but it's a great way to generate passive income. How to choose the right side hustle. When you're thinking about starting a side hustle, there are a few things you want to keep in mind. First, you want to make sure that your side hustle is something you enjoy doing. If you don't enjoy side hustle, you're not going to stick to working on it. From there, you want to make sure that your side hustle is something you can make money from. You don't want to spend tons of time on a side hustle that doesn't earn you any money. You also want to pick a side hustle that has potential for growth. This could mean picking a side hustle with a large market or one that can be scaled to make more money. You also want to make sure that your side hustle has low barriers to entry. This could mean picking a side hustle you can do from home or with limited equipment. Tips for succeeding with a side hustle and set goals. When you start a side hustle, it's important to set goals and milestones along the way. This helps you track your progress and make sure that you're staying on track with your goals. It also gives you something to track your progress with. If you enjoyed this video and got value from it, hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.